So since I stepped on a nail and it started to get infected, I'm gonna try the emergency here, the hospital here, and I will find a name for you. One sec. It's the Governor Juan Luis Hospital. Seems empty. Let's see. So I'm here, and as of now, super quick, clean, beautiful, nice staffing, really nice. And here is the thing. It went all the way in and came out in the front. It was like towards the front. So let's see. They're gonna clean and tetanus shot. But they're not a really good experience here in the hospital in St. Croix. Everything pretty good until now. Perfect staffing, really kind, really friendly. Like it. I talked to the doctor, Dr. Allison. Super kind, super polite, attentive. The time wait is pretty decent for all the people they have here. I love it. I like it. St. Croix Hospital, San Juan F. Lewis Hospital and Medical Center. Approved. They're gonna give me a tetanus, remove whatever is inside the hole, and a tetanus shot and antibiotics, and I'm good. So, emergency here in the Juan Luis Hospital, St. Croix, Caribbean, was pretty good. I like it. For the number of people that they receive here was extremely fast. People are polite. The receptionist super kind, helped me so much, both of them. The nurse was effective. Dr. Allison, so sweet, amazing doctor. I love it. I have zero concerns or problems. The system here works well. And I have OCD with certain things. So for instance, every time I'm gonna get a shot, I like to see the things being open in front of me. I did not see, I haven't had the chance. The nurse brought the shot straight already. But besides that, man, amazing. It's just because I'm kind of a control freak and I need to see what's going on. No, I'm not afraid of the shot. No, it's because I want to see it's like brand new, was open right there, and you know. But I love it. Pretty good experience. They saved my neck here with a nail that went through my feet, here, my foot, and I'm good. I'm good to go. Take care. Oh, and besides all the discharge papers, they also gave me these for me to bathe and like soak my foot into warm water to help the wound to, you know, clean up from inside because it was a puncture. So everything good, guys.